Hey guys, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do a front post and a back post half double crochet stitch. So I'll be working into a row of half double crochet stitches, and this vertical column is also known as the post, and we'll be working around this post versus going through the top of the stitch. So to do a front post half double crochet, I'll be inserting my hook going through the front of my work. So I'm going to start by yarning over, and then I'm going to insert through the front of my stitches on one side of the post. I'm going to bring my hook around the back through the other side of the post, and now you see the post is in front of my hook. Yarn over and pull through to bring up a loop. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. And there I've done one front post half double crochet stitch. Let's do another one. So I'm going to yarn over and then insert my hook into the front of my work next to the post, bring my hook around the back through the other side of the post, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and there's another front post half double crochet. When working around the post, you'll see that there's this line of yarn here on the other side, and you'll want to make sure that you're bringing your hook underneath that line of yarn. And if you're having trouble pulling your hook through all the loops, you can try loosening up your tension a little bit so that your stitches aren't quite so tight. And that's how you do a front post half double crochet. Now for the back post half double crochet, we'll be following these same steps, except we'll be inserting our hook through the back of our work versus the front. So I'm going to yarn over and then bring my hook through the back of my work next to the post, and then bringing my hook through the other side of the post, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and there I've made one back post half double crochet stitch. Now let's do another one. I'm going to yarn over and then insert my hook through the back on one side of the post, cross over to the other side, yarn over and pull through to bring up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that's how you do a back post half double crochet stitch. I hope you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.